This is January, and it's kind of common for rain in this season, which is like from the end of November up to the middle of April. So all of this season it's a bit challenging. If you want to go out, it's kind of a lot of muddy. As you can see, there are a lot of potholes on this road, and actually this is a rough road. So there is a few experience on riding your motorcycle on this area. First of all, most of the time you have to ride by using gear number 2, which gives the motorcycle more traction and more power a little bit compared to when you're using number 3 or number 4. As you can see, a lot of potholes, and all of them are filled with water. So this road is under construction. As you can see, a lot of potholes. So here I'm doing two things. First of all, I'm riding the motorcycle slowly so that I don't ride it through the deep potholes. I'm riding slowly so that I don't get dirty. But also, I'm riding gently so that my motorcycle will be okay as long as I have it. You can see there is a car in front of me, and it's riding a little bit steady, slow on the right side, which is a little bit smoother compared to the left side. And the other thing experience you can see on roads like this, you will see most of the drivers, they are choosing for the smooth part of the road, not the right side. Actually, we ride on the left side of the road, but if you can see, you will see that if that car in front of me is on the right, but it's supposed to be on the left. The front car again is on the right side part of the road, but it's supposed to be on the left. So the left side is a little bit rough compared to the right side. That's where I'm trying to ride. So as you can see, there is no car in front of me, there is no vehicle, there is no motorcycle. Yeah, you ride your motorcycle to the condition, to the place whereby it will ride smooth and nice. So this experience of riding these rough roads, I think it's global. I think everywhere there are some parts of the roads whereby there are roads are not tarmac. It's just rough like this one. So the experience you will have on this rough road will be quite a little bit different compared to when you are riding on the tarmac road. So from the place where I was coming from to the place where I'm going, this is just a single part of the road which is rough like this one. And there are some of the days when it rains too much. Actually the most experience you can have is getting dirty so much. A lot of mud, the motorcycle becomes so dirty, even though you just cleaned it maybe 2 hours or 20 minutes ago. The motorcycle, due to this nature of soil, it gets dirty so fast. So right now, currently, it's just me and my friend Regan on the back of the motorcycle, and right now we are going to town. There are a few stuffs we are going to do. So I just say, guys, you can see some parts of the road in which we ride your motorcycle. So even if you're riding your motorcycle and you have this kind of roads, no matter how far you will ride it, but if you are gentle with your motorcycle, you will just be fine. And you don't have to ride so fast, because a lot of bumps and they damage the motorcycle shock absorbers, both in front and the rear ones. But also I can say it weakens the motorcycle. We all know that riding super fast on these kind of roads, it's not so good for motorcycle, even for yourself. First of all, it takes away your comfortability. As you can see. So this is almost the end part of this road, guys. So anyway, with that said, I would like to say thank you so much for being part of this video. I hope you have experienced how our roads are, some parts of the road. And I hope to see you guys on the next one.
Like, comment, and subscribe.